Hi there, Tiffany and Bhavin. And I just wanted to post a short video on the power of practice. And, I've been doing yoga asana, study philosophy, meditation, yoga for 25 years. And it's never lost on me how it works. And the only time it works is when you step onto your mat or sit on your cushion or remember how to lead your life from that place where you remember you're connected to the source of all things. And typically that's why I need to get back on my yoga mat. Life's a roller coaster ride right now. Maybe it has been for quite some time for me. It feels like 3 years of roller coaster. And, today the roller coaster took me from watching a reel on Instagram, the immigrant song with the little bird sticking its head out of the nest, and it made me laugh and it made me giggle, and then it reminded me of my dear friend Lorraine Horseman's-Hoff that passed and just recently, and how she used to incorporate that immigrant song by Led Zeppelin into Om Namah Shivaya, and it was just magic. It was a rockin' version of a beautiful chant. And then I found myself in tears, and I've been processing her leaving for quite some time. Since she passed on December 22nd, daily. And sometimes you get hijacked by what you're going through. That's kind of my point. You can go from feeling great and feeling awesome to an emotional state, which is heightened right now with the astrological placements as we're moving into the Cancer full moon that's happening coming Monday. So I found myself on my mat needing to integrate the roller coaster ride and to ground in my body and to come back into that place where I felt empowered and connected to the truth. So ultimately that will be the reason we come back to the practice over and over and over again. And if it's not that reason, to come back to the place of remembrance that you are grounded in your body, you're connected to source energy. It may be to celebrate that you feel that way. And both of those reasons, to remember or to celebrate the gift of life, the recognition of who you are and how you do what you do in your most grounded and empowered way. That's yoga right there. So whether you get on a mat with me or any of your other favorite teachers, or you take yourself through your own practice, remember, the practice works. You got to show up for it. Even if you incorporate what I call my 5-minute rule, which is I'm going to get on my mat for 5 minutes and see where it takes me. And if I want to walk away in 5 minutes, that's what I do. And usually after 5 minutes, then I'm in. I've entered the doorway like, oh, wow, yeah, this is good for me. So I love you, and my hat's off to you and to what you're navigating in your power path. And may your practice bring you to that place where your path feels more empowered. Love you. Namaste.